Anytime you replace or rebuild a transmission, you need to replace the torque converter, and you also need to flush out the transmission cooler lines. The reason you flush these out is because there's going to be old contaminated fluid inside them. On this vehicle, these are the lines going to and from the transmission cooler. If you're working on something other than a Chrysler Town & Country minivan, what you're looking for are lines that kind of look like they almost go to the radiator. Your transmission cooler is going to be mounted somewhere likely on the radiator, and it'll be some lines that look similar to this. There'll be two of them. So to flush these out, the first thing I'm going to do is grab some compressed air. Now, on this vehicle, I don't know which one of these is the inlet and which one is the outlet. But guess what? It doesn't matter. We're gonna flush this both ways. So just randomly, I'm gonna pick this one first. And let me grab just a empty container here. I'm gonna go ahead and stick one line down in there to catch anything I blow out. And then with this one, just put this compressed air on there and whoa, that popped right out of there. Here we go. Let's try this again. So I'm blowing this old fluid out of there. That's gonna be good. Now to actually flush this, I'm going to use a can of TransFlush. You can buy this or a like brand at any auto parts store pretty much. Now, the fitting it comes with on the end does not fit my transmission cooler lines, but what it does happen to fit are air hose fittings. So I'm going to go ahead and thread this air hose fitting on the end of it, and then take just a little bit of rubber hose. This was a fuel line or a vacuum line that I just cut. That way it slides right down over top of that. And then the same direction that I just blew it out, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on there as well. And then make sure that stays in there this time. Pull the lid off. And so I'm just gonna do about a half a can of this. And sometimes it's hard to know what a half can is, but just somewhere in that vicinity. So one thing, I want to make sure that this does not come off. Alright. Just getting another angle here, so maybe you'll be able to see sort of this filling up. So I'm just having to keep some pressure on this hose here so that it doesn't leak out too much on me. So already when I look down inside here, I can see it's starting to come out clear. So that's a good sign. It started off real dark and dirty, and now it's looking kind of clear. So I can probably switch directions soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch directions. So now, I'm switching which hose is in my catch container. And then I'm going to start off by using the air hose again. Get that on there. Okay. That gets all that nastiness out of there, so I can start fresh on the other side. Hook the can back up to the other side and start flushing till the can's gone. So it looks like I'm running out of fluid now. So if you happen to not have compressed air, once you're out of fluid, you can turn the can upside down and that'll just blow air through there to try to clear it out a little bit, just like his compressed air would. But you're better off using compressed air. Alright. So to finish, I'm going to just blow compressed air through one more time. Put this on there. Hold this in. But that's got it all cleaned out. And as you can see, let's tilt the camera a little bit. As you can see how dark this is on the bottom, you did not want that going back into your new or rebuilt transmission. So that's why you definitely always want to flush out those lines. And this is the same material that's going to be in your old torque converter. So that's why you replace that as well. If this video helped you, please help us by clicking that subscribe button. We need 1,000 subscribers in order to get our channel monetized.